Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete layer in Photoshop with one click. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see delete layer in Photoshop. Now we show the text layer and shape layer. Now you can see delete layer in the one click. Now you can see then go into the layer option. Now select from first layer in the text layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Then click. Now click from delete layer option. Now click yes. That is. Then you show the delete layer in first layer. Now you can see then going to the second layer in the shape. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from delete layer option. Now you select from yes. That is. Now you can see delete layer in Photoshop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.